Good afternoon, my disciples of class 10th and 12th. This video is on raising the curtain of hidden truth on OMR sheet, which has prescribed in a latest format by CBSE board for term 1 examination 2021 and 22. So let me take your some valuable time and show you how OMR sheet needs to be filled and what all important things need to keep in your mind while before filling it. So please have a look everyone here. You all are aware that the CBSE will be using OMR for the first time for assessment of both the classes 10th and 12th in term 1 examination. So there is a need that all students appearing in the term 1 examination send the schools sponsoring these students should have complete knowledge about the OMR. So it is also very important for class 10th and 12th that they have to understand about the format of this new OMR sheet and the pattern, also how you have to fill all the details correctly in this. Okay. Now I'm going to raise the curtain of the hidden truth, that what is hidden truth on OMR sheet, and you need to remember all these important things into your mind before you enter the examination hall and before you start filling the OMR sheet. So the first thing is very important, that is sample copy of OMR is enclosed with this letter. And also I would like to tell you that details of the candidates will be pre-filled in the OMR sheet. Like you can see over here, it's given here. The first thing is your roll number. All right, this is the roll number is in numbers 1 2 6 8 1 4 5 8, and you can see here that the same roll number is in words also. Okay, 1,26,81,458. Okay, then you will see the day and date of the examination. As you can see here, Friday 26th of November 2021, and just below that there is another box where you will see center number and the name also, and then you will see the subject code with the name of the subject, and then you will see the candidate's name, the father's name, and just below that school's name and school code also. Okay, so that's how the first box of the OMR sheet will be filled up. Okay, and CBSE has already prescribed it on CBSE on its website that the OMR sheet will be filled up like automatically. It will be printed, and it has been like given to all the schools, all the centers, so you don't have to fill all these details by yourself. Now let's see the other box of this OMR sheet, and the other box we are talking about I'm talking about this box, okay, where you can see the correct method and the wrong method of the marking. Okay, so this is the correct way and this is the wrong way. All right, so you can see there are there are four circles in wrong method and in correct method. So you have to follow the correct one. That's how you have to fill the OMR sheet. Now just below that, now the second section of this OMR sheet is where you will see the question numbers from 1 to question number 45. Okay, and each and every row is containing 15 questions. Okay, as you can see in this picture. So you see here there are four circles, and after these four circles you have one box, right? So what you have to do, these circles are for your response. So like if you come across with any question, after reading the question, if you are very sure about the answer, when you are confident that this answer is absolutely correct, then you have to circle that option. Suppose you have circled option B, that is the correct one. So in this box you have to write the answer B. Okay, and also you have to darken the circle if it is not attempted. The next one is another circle, and you have to darken it if it is not completed. Okay, all right. Now coming down, you will see here there is another box. You have to write here, please write above statement from your hand. Okay, you have to write, I confirm that all particulars given below, given above are correct. In this particular box you have to write, I confirm that all particulars given above are correct. That means all the details, that means your roll number, your date of examination and day, your center number and center name, subject code and the subject name, candidate's name, your father's name, school code and school name. We are talking about these details, so make sure that you have filled all these details correctly, and you have, after filling all these details in this particular box, you have to write, I confirm that all particulars given above are correct, and sign in the running hand on OMR. Okay, so you can see here there is a place for signing it. Okay, candidate signature in running hand, right? And the lowest box, this is not for you, this is for invigilator and evaluator, coordinator and observer. So you don't have to do anything over here. Okay, this is only for office use. So this is the only part which you have to be take care, and this part also. Okay, now let me tell you something more, some important other features of OMR. There is a space for answering like 60 questions in an OMR, irrespective of total questions given in the question paper of any subject, and candidates will use maximum circles as per total questions given in the question paper for giving responses. Okay, and this should be only in serial. So you cannot jump into questions like after completing the first question you can jump on fourth and fifth and any other. Answers given after the maximum question number will not be evaluated. That means thereby, if there are 45 questions in some question papers and the candidate is like changing questions number 46 from 45 to 46 in OMR and writing this question as 45 and then giving the answer, it will not be evaluated. Okay, the meaning of this statement or this point is that if you have given the space of 45 questions and after that if you are like skipping the question number 45 and like doing question number 46, then this question will not be evaluated and it is set by CBSE board. Okay, now moving on, for giving a response like 4 circles, it means like A, B, C, D are given in front of each questions in a row. Candidates once confident about the correctness of the reply should darken the circle with a pen. After 4 circles are over, a box is given in the same row as I showed you earlier. Candidates have to write the correct option in this box. It means A or B or C or D as the answer is. After the box, again a circle is given ahead of box wherein the question number is also written inside the circle. The circle is to be darkened by the candidates if they have not attempted this question. So all the instructions which I am giving in this video, you have to follow accordingly while filling up the answer sheet. That means your OMR sheet. Okay, and another thing, candidates are advised that first of all they should mark the response by darkening the circle. If fully satisfied, then they should write a response in a box. Purpose of giving a box is only that if any candidate wishes to change the response, the same be written in the box also. Okay, so that means if you have circled option A, you have to write the same answer in the box also. Even if a candidate is satisfied with the darkening the circle, this response has to be written in the box. Candidates have to reply both in circle and in a box. So you have to keep it in your mind that you cannot leave either one of them. Okay. Reply written in the box will be treated as final. So the answer which you will write in the box, that will be your final answer, and the CBSE will accept only that answer, not any other answer. If the box is empty and the response is marked in the circle, it will be considered that the question has not been attempted by the candidate. Okay, so suppose you have circled the correct answer but you did not mention the same answer in the box, then the CBSE will not consider that answer as a uh, consider that answer, and it will not be evaluated by the evaluator. If the response is given in a box and the circle is left blank, it also will not consider that the question has been attempted by the candidate. If all the three, it means like four circles, box and last circle are left blank, it will be considered that the question has not been attempted. Okay. So now coming down, schools will like download the OMRs in advance as per the schedule given in guidelines. So we will be getting that shortly, and we will be like downloading these OMR sheets from our side. Okay, so these are the important points which you have to keep it in your mind while before filling the OMR sheet and while answering the OMR questions and answers. Okay, so this is the quite a information which I wanted to share with my all the disciplines of class 10th and 12th, because both of them are entering in term 1 examination 2021 and 22. So I would really like to say best of luck to all of you, and please follow the instructions given by the CBSE board and fill the OMR sheet accordingly so that you can score good well enough. All right, thank you so much.